Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about if anyone invested 10,000 INR in BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, turns into 1.06 crores today. BPCL has the 25.37% market share in India fuel market for the financial year 2024. So this is the Bharat Petroleum story journey. The operation started with the import and marketing of kerosene and soon provided itself to the Pioneer One in more ways. The retail revolution. The fuel country, the pan-India country network of fuel station has crossed more than 20,000 mark. The Bharat Petroleum launched the new logo in 18th November 1997. And these are the business of BPCL, fuel and services, Bharat Gas, Mark Lubricants, Aviation Services, Gas, Industrial, Commercial, International Trade, Proficiency Testing, Pipelines, and BPCL Group. BPCL IPO was issued in 1994. The initial investment of 10,000, you will get 1,000 shares, 10 rupees per share, and the face value is 10 at the time of issuing. In 1994, BPCL issued 1:2 bonus ratio. You will get 2,500 shares, and the face value remains 10. In 2000, BPCL issued 1:1 bonus ratio. You will get 3,000 shares, and then face value remains 10. And 2012, BPCL issued 1:1 bonus ratio. You will get 6,000 shares. The face value is 10. In 2016, BPCL issued 1:1 bonus ratio. You will get 12,000 shares. The face value is 10. In 2017, BPCL issued 1:2 bonus ratio. For every 2 shares you held, you will get 1 share. So total shares you will get 18,000 shares. The face value remains 10. In 2024, BPCL issued 1:1 bonus ratio. Total number of shares will get 36,000 shares and face value remains 10. So the total number of shares is 36,000 shares. So current trading price of BPCL is 295.55. So the total price to market value is 1,06,39,800 INR. BPCL dividends, 36,000 shares into 31.5. So that was the dividend last 1 year the BPCL was given. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in BPCL shares, you will not get return like this. BPCL goes as a large cap company, but you have to find the future of BPCL shares. In the last 1 year, the BPCL shares given the return of 30.76%, and the last 5 years, the BPCL observed return is 22.25% only. The average return for last 5 years is 4.45% only. Keynotes. Earlier, the few companies have given return like this, Infosys, Reliance, and Titan, etc. were the few multi-baggers. If you want to the same kind of return, do some research and invest in 20-25 stocks. Invest in early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately and hold other stocks till you have more possible to get return like this. And that's it about the video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.